Are you frustrated because you want to leave a rating on a product in WooCommerce, but you keep getting stuck with a message saying a comment is required? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and show you how to turn off that pesky comment requirement. I totally understand how annoying it can be when you're trying to leave feedback, and the system just won't let you. Many users have faced this exact problem, and it can be really frustrating when you just want to share your thoughts. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user reached out saying they allow comments on each product, but even though the setting for ratings are required to leave a review is unchecked, they still receive a message that a comment is required. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be causing this issue? It often comes down to settings within WooCommerce or potential conflicts with themes or plugins. We'll break it down step by step to help you find the solution. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your WooCommerce settings more effectively. To begin resolving the issue, the user should check the WooCommerce settings again. Specifically, they need to navigate to WooCommerce, then to Settings, and finally to the Products tab. Within the Products tab, the user should click on the Reviews section. Here, they need to ensure that the option for ratings are required to leave a review is unchecked. Next, the user should check the theme settings. Some themes have their own review settings that may override WooCommerce defaults. The user should look for any theme options related to product reviews. If the issue persists, the user may need to add a custom function to their theme's functions.php file. This function can disable the requirement for comments when leaving a rating. Finally, the user should test the changes by leaving a rating on a product. They should ensure that they can submit a rating without needing to leave a comment. Fun fact, did you know that WooCommerce powers over 30% of all online stores? That's a lot of ratings and reviews. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from another user. They suggest adding a specific code snippet to your theme's functions.php file. This code uses a filter to modify the checkout fields, setting the order comments as not required. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adding a filter and a script to your WordPress site. First, you can use the filter Allow Empty Comment to allow empty comments. Then, you can add a script that removes the required attribute from the comment text area. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your WooCommerce settings and plugin compatibility. This can save you from future headaches and ensure a smooth experience for your customers. And there you have it. You should now be able to leave ratings without the comment requirement getting in your way. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more WooCommerce insights.